My name's Kevin Fallon. I'm a band director at Worthington Middle School. And one thing that we've noticed with the reduction in staff within our programs, really throughout the district, is we're trying to do more with less. We have growing programs with hundreds of students, and with the reduced number of directors, we're finding that it's more of a challenge to meet the individual student on that individual level, provide the one-on-one care and attention that we are accustomed to. One other thing that we have experienced at the middle school level, really specifically, is because of the classroom sizes across campus, even in the core classes, we'll have a student, we meet them at the beginning of their journey, right? They come here maybe not knowing what instrument they're going to learn. They just know they're here. They want to learn to play an instrument. Historically, we could take that student who just shows up on day one without a plan or without any idea, and we can take them through the same process we provided to all the other students in the spring before they arrived, where they got to try a bunch of instruments and see what felt good and what fit and where their aptitudes were. And then we could email the counselors, and the counselors could make sure that that student got into the right class to learn that thing where they were going to be most, fit for success. We're finding now that, individual core classes might already be at their max with 34 students, and because of those class sizes, we're having a harder time adjusting a student schedule to get them into the class where they're most set up for success. The biggest difference from last year to this year is the staffing reductions and the increased classroom sizes, which has led to our cuts in programs and offerings that students look forward to. Students have come up and asked about opportunities like auditioning for an honor band at the non-varsity level, or section rehearsals before school or after school for the concert band, or some of the other small group offerings, and we've just simply had to say that we're not going to be able to offer that this year. With the passage of the operations funding election, the district is committed to restoring fine arts staffing, which will bring back additional fine arts programs and offerings. Don't forget, early voting is from October 20th through the 31st, and Election Day is November 4th.